Hi, Michael, Jack, and Movers Market team. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the WeightMates app that I have built. But this is a landing page. WeightMates, lose weight with your family, with your friends and family, and stay motivated with our AI assistant. And here's the Start Now button and the check the code button that links you to the repo, so you can check the code here. And let's start then. When we click in the start button, we are redirected to the login page where you can type your email. As you can see here, I have this team, the Movers Market team in the app that is pre-filled with the data that was in the spreadsheets. So let me sign in with this email address. The email address is here. So I use put the email address here, and when I click continue, an email is sent to this address, and we can check the email right now. And this is a temporary email. I will later assign the email address of Michael to this account, so that he can test with their account. So this is the email address. This is the email, sent just seconds ago, and this is our one-time password for WeightMates. So we should use this code to sign in. So we just paste the code here. Copy and paste the code here, and click the login button. We will redirect it again to this landing page, but if we click the Start Now button again, we will be redirected to this page, the /teams page, where we can see all the teams that we are currently at. So let's start with the personal features. Here in your progress, we can see some interesting statistics of our progress in this application. For example, we can also see the graph, the chart of how our weight was changing over time since we started using the app. And for example, here we started with a weight of 90.1, then 89, and so up to 87.2. So in all this period of time, we have a historical loss of 0.48 kilograms per week. This can be represented as 54% loss per week. And in the last weight in, and taking in consideration these last two weight ins of the 6th of November and the 13th of November, we can see that we lost 0.12 kilograms per week, or 13%. And if we consider all the historical since the beginning, in total we are losing 2.90 kilograms. This information is dynamic. Each user can see the information that is related to their progress. And also we have here a personalized message for our progress. For example, here it says, "Hey Michael, congratulations on your incredible progress. You have gone from 90.1 to 87.2 kilograms since October 2nd. That's an amazing achievement," and so on. So this is made also with AI. We can check the code right here. And we are using this prompt. You are the WeightMates assistants, blah blah blah. And here we pass on information of what was the original measurement and the last one. So that with the OpenAI we can create a custom message for the user. So that's for here, and here we can see that the last weight in is in November 13, so we can add one more. For example, for the 20 yesterday. Yeah, we can say that, for example, we are now 85.8 kilograms. We click continue, and if we refresh the page now, we will see this new point in this time series that is in the 20th of November. So we can see the 85.8 here, and all the information has changed. For example, we can notice at first that now the total loss is 4.30. So this is different. All this information is different too, and this information too. So now ChatGPT knows that we are going from 90.1 to 85.8 kilograms. So this message is updated with every weighting that you add, so that you can keep motivated. And that's all for the users, for the progress of a single user. And we have also the teams section where the user can see the teams that they belong to, and they can also create teams. Let's create a team, for example, a test team. When we create this test team, we are redirected to this new test team, and this is the information. It is pretty similar than we have here in our progress, and the selection of this team is across all the applications. So we have this selection in the sidebar too. By the way, we can close the sidebar by using this button. So here we have the team. We have a message for the team too. Congratulations, test team, you have made an incredible progress, blah blah blah. And all this information is custom for this team. We can also see here some more information, like the name of the member, the initial weight, and so on. So like the current weight, the current loss rate, which is the loss rate that in the last period of time. So we are losing 1.61% in the last weighting, and this is lower than our global loss rate, that is 4.77. Well, so we can also switch this switch. If we click this switch, the information changes in units. We can see kilograms or percentage accordingly. But it is interesting when we have multiple team members. So let's send an invitation. We can do that by going to the members section here, and we can see that in this team we have only one member, that is Michael. For example, I can invite myself and my email and click on send invite, and we can see now that in the invite section we have the invite to my email address. So I will be switching to my I will log out here. I will be logging with my new email address. My personal email address, sorry. So I have the new one-time password. I can log in, and if I go to the invite section, I can see that I have been invited to the test team. So right now I am not here in I am not a member of this team, but if I click this button, then I will be a member of this team. And if we reload here, we will now see that Anthony Cueva is a member of the test team too. We can also see him here in the members page, and the invite is deleted. No invitations right now. Well, this for the teams. We can also rename the teams. For example, let's say it's Crafter Station, for example. And the team is updated right now. This feature is also taking in consideration the permissions. And for example, if we want to we won't be able to rename this team. Only admins can rename, and only Michael is an admin here. So I can update from my Anthony Cueva account, and I can't also delete the team. But if Michael clicks here, the team will be deleted. So so here we can compare. The information has changed. Right now we are going from 84.55 to 82.4, and here are the updated statistics, and the chart also has changed. This chart now takes in consideration the weighting of the two members. Each point is an average of the current weight of the weight in a given time for the members. It's the average. So for that we can see here 84.55, even if we don't have that number, is because it's the average. And we can also see here the loss rate of each member. For example, if I go to my personal account here, I can see that my progress is really bad. I have gained 3 kilograms of weight, so this is reflected here. This information is reflected here, and I'm currently gaining this amount of kilograms per week. So yeah, that's all for this part. Yes, this is all we have right now. Let's test the delete teams. We have the movers, the crafterization team, and the movers market team. And while we are in the crafterization team, let's delete this. So now we don't have a team selected, so we can see the options here. But if we go to the movers market team, then we can see all the information of the movers market team. So this is it. We can invite people, and we can see how are these people progressing individually and as a team. So that's all. I forgot to say that we also have teams, so we can change to light team, which is really bad right now, and the dark team too, so we can switch between those teams and use the system defaults too. And everything is well, almost all of this is responsive, so we can switch to a smaller viewport and we will see that this is responsive. And that's all. Thank you, and if you have any questions, let me know. And that's all. Thank you.